Hello everyone, welcome to session 47 of security testing video series. In this session, I am going to show you how to configure Burp Suite as proxy for Chrome browser. So let's get started. First of all, let's launch the Burp Suite. Let's wait for this Burp Suite to launch in my machine. Once the Burp Suite tool is launched, click on the next button and select Start Burp. Let's wait for this burp suite to start in my machine. Once the burp suite is started, close this and select the proxy tab and make sure this intercept option is turned on. At this moment, guys, burp suite is not yet configured as proxy for this Chrome browser in my machine. So whatever the requests that are sent from this Chrome browser will not be intercepted by this burp suite even though this intercept option is on, because burp suite is not a proxy for this Chrome browser. We have not yet configured the burp suite as proxy for this Chrome browser. So whatever I search here, let's say I'm searching this, I'm browsing this demo.testfy.net. You see the request is directly sent to the server and we got the response in the browser and the page is kind of displayed, right? Here, the request is not intercepted by this burp suite because burp suite is not yet configured as a proxy for this Chrome browser. But how to configure burp suite as proxy for this Chrome browser? For that, we'll do one thing. In the Chrome browser, select these three dots, guys, on the right side and select settings. Once you go to the settings of the Chrome browser, search for proxy. You will get this open your computer proxy settings. So one difference you need to identify in case of the Chrome browser. In the previous session, I explained how to configure Burp Suite as proxy for Firefox browser, right? In this session, I am showing you how to configure Burp Suite as proxy for the Chrome browser. So what is the difference, guys? When you are configuring Burp Suite as proxy for the Firefox browser and when you are configuring Burp Suite as proxy for the Chrome browser, what is the difference? Here, proxy settings are done at the browser level, guys. When you are when you are configuring Burp Suite as proxy for the Firefox browser, in the Firefox settings, whatever the proxy settings you provide, they are at the browser level. But here Chrome, they are at the OS level, guys. Let me show you. When you search proxy in the Chrome browser, when you are getting this message saying that open your computer proxy settings, these are not the browser proxy settings, guys. Okay, in case of configuring the Burp Suite with Chrome browser, we have to we have to change the computer proxy settings. Click on this option and you will be taken to the computer proxy settings, manual proxy settings of your computer. So here use a proxy server. Select this. Fine, select this. And here enter the address. If this address is not available, enter 127.0.0.1 and here give some port number other than the default port number like 8080. Okay, rather give some random port number like 8082 or 8083. Here I am giving 8083 and here select this option, guys. If this option is not selected, don't use the proxy server for local intranet addresses. So select this option. Fine. Now save it. Once you save this proxy settings, now close this and go to the Burp Suite. In the Burp Suite under the proxy, we have these options. Select the options and select the add button. In the add button, you here enter the number, whatever the port number that you have given while configuring the proxy setting for Chrome browser at the OS level, right? That port number, same port number you have to mention here. We have given 8083, right? Same port number I'm giving. And here select specific address 127.0.0.1. Now say okay, that's it. Now open this Chrome browser and try to browse this demo.testfy.net again. Again here intercept option is, make sure that intercept option is turned on. Now the Burp Suite is configured as proxy for this Chrome browser. Whatever you browse in this Chrome browser, that request will be intercepted by this Burp Suite. Let me show you. When you browse here, you see the request is already intercepted. That means here loading will happen, guys. Earlier this page was loading directly, but here the loading is continuing. Until you say forward in this Burp Suite, the request will not be forwarded from this Chrome browser to the server. You see, after I selected forward here in the burp suite, then only we got this page displayed in the browser because the request got forwarded to the server. Server has given the response. Based on the response, this page got displayed in the browser. Fine. So now you understood how to configure burp suite as proxy for this Chrome browser, right? So that's it, guys. So before I wind up this session, let's clear out all the stuff. That is, again, go to the settings. Whenever you are in need of using burp suite as proxy for this Chrome browser, then only do these settings, guys. Once you're done with the task, again, go to the same settings and turn it off. Okay, turn it off, guys. Don't use it. Turn it off. Whenever it is not in need, just turn it off. Again, you can go to the burp suite, go to the options and delete this. Okay, after the use of proxy, just delete it. Now everything will come to the normal, guys. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Bye.